Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, open your Play Store and in search write Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install and now click open. Then choose yes I agree, close and need to press the OK button, but we don't got this button. Okay, got. Now in this menu swipe on the right, and here in the second column we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.